Hi, my name is Scott Staller. I'm with Hamilton Metalcraft, and we're exhibiting here in InfoComm 2024. And we are actually a service where we do manufacturing of your products, and we are a partner style of service where we like to develop your products with you in the hopes that you'll stay with us for your larger orders. Obviously, we're not going to be doing the orders that would end up in China or India, which would be enormous orders. We can certainly help you develop those products and get you prepared to send them off. But there's always the high-end pro audio, and video, which is mostly what's here at InfoComm. And for sure, that would be right up our alley in terms of manufacturing domestically here in the United States. We are located in Pasadena, California. Telephone ready, and again, as I said, we like to serve as a partner and help with your manufacturing needs, give you advice on what you can do out of sheet metal, perhaps replace some of the expensive machining with sheet metal, and any ideas in terms of developing your product. We'll check your prints. We can also run prints for you if you've got ideas that are on a napkin. And basically, we're open to doing just about anything that you can dream of out of sheet metal. So we really appreciate InfoComm, and we appreciate this time. Please check us out at our website, www.hmetal.com. That's H as in Harry, M as in Mary, ETAL.com. Thanks so much.